What are requirements? Requirements are the specific needs, conditions, or capabilities that a system or product must meet to satisfy a customer or business goal. They guide the team on what to build and help ensure that everyone has the same understanding. Without clear requirements, projects can easily go off track. Why requirements matter? Requirements act like a blueprint or instruction manual. Just like you wouldn't build a house without a plan, you shouldn't start a project without knowing what's needed. They help reduce misunderstandings, avoid rework, and ensure the final product delivers real value. Functional requirements describe what the system or product should do. These are the specific features or functions the system must perform. For example, the ATM must allow users to withdraw cash is a functional requirement. They answer the question, what should the system do? Non-functional requirements describe how the system should behave. These include performance, reliability, security, and usability. For example, the website should load within 2 seconds is a non-functional requirement. They help ensure the system is effective and user-friendly. Business requirements. These are high-level goals that explain why the project is being undertaken. Business requirements are usually defined by stakeholders or executives and linked directly to business objectives. An example could be, increase online sales by 15% in the next quarter. User requirements. User requirements focus on what end users need from the system. These are usually written from the user's perspective and often use formats like user stories. For example, as a customer, I want to track my order so I know when it will arrive. They help keep the product user-centered. System requirements. System requirements combine functional and non-functional details into a more technical format. These are often used by engineers or developers to design the actual system. They define how software, hardware, and interfaces should work together to fulfill all other requirements. How requirements are gathered. Gathering requirements is a key early step in any project. This can involve interviews, surveys, observations, workshops, or studying existing systems. The goal is to deeply understand what users and stakeholders need before any development begins. Common mistakes with requirements. Sometimes requirements are too vague, incomplete, or keep changing. This can lead to confusion, delays, and wasted effort. To avoid this, teams should make sure requirements are clear, testable, and agreed upon by all stakeholders before development starts. Requirements in Agile. In Agile projects, requirements are often written as user stories and evolve over time. Instead of defining everything up front, Agile encourages just-in-time and collaborative requirement gathering. This keeps the process flexible and user-focused throughout the development. Requirements are the foundation of any successful product. They connect business goals, user needs, and technical work. When done well, they ensure that the final product is useful, usable, and valuable. Clear, well-structured requirements lead to better planning, design, and outcomes.